Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl EfyaKimora here. If you're out here, I really appreciate you for coming back. But if today's the first time clicking on my video, I appreciate you as well. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more of such interesting and adventurous content. So today we are here in our apartment. I would like to show you around the apartment we are lodging in at FREETOWN. Okay, so we start from the entrance. Just the entrance is here, and then we take you through the whole thing. Okay, so let me turn the camera. Yeah, so this is the whole apartment. It's kind of cute. And then here straight to the bedroom. So this is the first bedroom. It's 2-bedroom apartment in FREETOWN, somewhere Wilberforce area. If you know there, I'll tell you the price and the nights you're spending and how many are we here. We saw it on the Airbnb, but we managed to make payments when you get here. We didn't do the payment online. So we have fan, AC, a bed, double bed, and then this one. So this is the first bedroom apartment. We have our luggage here, kind of wrapped in a polythene bag, so we get it done. Anyway, it's so nice. So this is the washroom. Get it? Kind of a big washroom. We have a heater here. That's a heater. And then then this, oh, you kind of have like water, toilet toilet cleaner. My friends are joking. And what is this? Okay, revealing shampoo, toilet roll, towel, and then all that. So this is the washroom, so no problem. Okay. Then the second bedroom, you've already used it. This is the second bedroom. As I said, AC, fan, in the bed. You have your mirror, wardrobe. Yeah, like a whole lot, tea rolls and towels and yeah, everything. AC, the lighting, everything is on point. You get it? So this is this one from the corridor. You just move to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen area. Yeah. That's the kitchen area. And what do you have here in the kitchen? You have your sink, you have your cooking stove and your gas cylinder. If you want to cook anything, we are not here for long. You have a dustbin, some utensils that if you need anything, like if you might cook. And also we have the microwave to heat, and the toaster, blender. Yeah. Yeah, I'm in the kitchen. So in the fridge, we have a fridge here. My friends are kind of distracting me. No problem. We are here. We are 3 here, so it's normal. Okay. So the fridge, I guess there's nothing inside. So there's two gates at the kitchen. One leads to the corridor, and one leads straight to the living room. So from the living room, you don't even have to come to the corridor, but it's kind of close. You get, that's it. And this, so this is the living room. So nice. Let's go up. What do you have here? A beautiful beautiful settings. Very beautiful setting. And then we come this way, go this way. Kind of, we have here, you have here, air conditioning everywhere. We have here, and somewhere there. So we go back again. Then what's this thing saying? It says home is where our story will always begin. So this is home. Okay, that's nice. So let's come down. What's down here? So you have your sofa 3-in-1 here. Then you move like that to your 2-in-1 sofa. Then to your television. We have a Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi is working, not what we had in Morovia that it wasn't working, but this one is working. You have your center table here. You have this kind of thing, and then all that. Do you get it? Do you get it? So what else do you want to see? I have something else to show you again. Yeah. So when you move back here, this is your balcony. This is your balcony. Ooh, the breeze is breezing. I think we are kind of closer to the sea. It's raining. You know, we are in the rainy season, so it's quite normal. So this is your backyard. You just come sit somewhere here, relax, enjoy the breeze. And we are also upstairs, like the 2nd floor, so you can see from the afar. Yeah, so you can see from afar and see the city whilst taking some rest. Do you get it? Do you get it? So I have one last thing to show you. The Wi-Fi is working. Should I give you guys the code so that you can use it? So yeah, so this is it. Yeah, so this is it. So this whole area is a corridor. And the guy says the power is not kind of stable, yeah, but the power is not kind of stable. So when the light goes off, you're going to use the solar panel, this thing to switch it off. So like you have 247 electricity, but when you turn this thing off, you're not going to use the air condition and the fridge, but you're going to use the fan. Do you get it? So this one is kind of here. Yeah, so this is the entrance and everything. Okay. Yeah, so that's what we have here. And how much are we paying for this? How much are we paying for this? We booked it on the Airbnb apartment, and they give a discount, and then they add charges, and then also so we are paying 185 for 187 for 3 nights. Yeah, and that's 3 persons sharing. 185 for 187, something like that. I have to confirm, but it's something like 185 per 3 persons sharing, and in USD 185 USD. Anyway, if it's affordable or whatever that you think about it, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you love to lodge here, I don't know much about the area. We are just to go find out. I will add that up in the video for you to see how this place looks like. Good morning from Sierra Leone. Oh, thank God. We had a very good sleep, but not enough sleep. Yeah, we slept around 2 to 3, and around 6 I'm awake. My friends are still sleeping. Yeah, no problem. So I'm going to show you outside of the balcony of the apartment, because it was late yesterday and it's around 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So let me go show you the throughout our trip. It's been raining. We traveled in the rainy season. I think this is the whole house. Yeah, and this is our balcony, and this is the view. Let me bring the camera down. Yes, but this is the balcony. So you can just come and sit here. And then this is the view, the view. Yeah. That is it. That is the view. It's located somewhere in Wilberforce. I don't know whether the area is called Wilberforce, but there is a runabout called Wilberforce Runabout, and it's kind of a few distance from the Wilberforce Runabout to the apartment. So we are closer to the sea. If you can see, you can see the sea, right? If you can see, you can see the sea. Ha 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 ha. That's so how do you call it? Punchline. If you can see, you can see the sea. The sea is just there. You see the sea? I see the sea in the sea. Okay, yeah, so that is it. Let me show you this side. So this is the area. This is the main apartment, so this whole area is part of it. Okay, we hear you. Good morning. We are getting prepared to explore Sierra Leone too. I have a previous video of crossing the border from Liberia to Sierra Leone. That means I did a video of Liberia as well. So we are doing 2 countries in one trip. That is like a week. Yeah, so you can go back to my channel, subscribe and enjoy. It's anything that you would love to know about Liberia as well, you can know. We couldn't do much in the city of Monrovia. We did enough in Liberia, so you can go check it out, okay? We bought this yesterday on the street. Yo, I check it. It costs 50 Sierra Leone. Thank you for watching, and until meet again in my next video. Is a girl EfyaKimora here. Love you and bye bye.